Alright, this geek tip, I want to show you how to use some special characters that are inside the fonts in Windows. There are times when you're gonna may need to use like a copyright symbol, a trademark symbol, a fraction in a document, and you can't create those with the keyboard because they're technically not there on the keyboard. So I want to show you how to use character map inside of Windows. It's been there since, oh geez, I actually used character map in Windows 3.1, so it's been in there for a long time now. But I want to show you how to actually utilize the special characters. So first thing we need to do is be able to start it up. Its location is normally inside of the Windows accessory folder under all programs, all apps. So if we go to all apps here on Windows 10 and we scroll down to Windows accessories, we're going to find it right here, character map. With Windows 7 Vista, you're actually going to find it in all programs, accessories, system tools, but it's varies with different versions of Windows 8. Basically, you just have to do a search for it to make it really easy to do a search for it, or there is one other way to actually pull it up really fast, and that's through Run Dialog Box. So let's go ahead, let's close this, let's go ahead, we're going to right mouse click on the actual start menu, bring up the power user menu, and we actually have the Run Dialog Box here. You can actually do it that way, or my favorite one is by using the Windows R, Windows key plus R, and we can actually have the Run Dialog Box right there. So to bring it up easy and quick like this, CHRMAP, character map. It's kind of abbreviated, but that brings it up just as well. So there we go. It's the character map. You'll see this is the Arial font. You'll see all the special characters that are actually inside of it. You'll actually see all the different fonts that are in here too. These are all, pretty much all these are pre-installed. I actually install some of my own custom ones in there to utilize for different things, but per se, if for demonstration purposes, we'll stick with the Arial font right now. So what we're going to do is, there's a couple different ways to actually do this. We can actually highlight the character. We can click select, and we can go back over here, bring up WordPad, and we can actually just right click on it, paste, or we can do a paste from here. Boom. As you can see, we brought in that character. We can bring it up, font size, scale it up, scale it down. Ready to rock and roll. Also, another way to do it too is actually to drag and drop it in like that. It's just quite unique and quite easy. So all you have to do really is have it when you click on it, it actually brings you up a preview. You drag it over, bam, you're ready to rock and roll. You can actually change it around here. Now let me show you some of the cool ones in here. A lot of people didn't know that you have some really cool ones. So if we go to like the wingdings, we actually have some pretty characters, funny characters, smiley faces and blocks and numbers and whatnot. That's actually under the wingdings. If we were to go to like the symbol fonts, we actually have all sorts of hey, how about that? We could throw a heart. We'll bring a heart up here. We'll throw that in there. Bam. You can actually take all these and just scale them up. Bam. So, and of course, with any font, we can actually change their color to whatever. And of course, if we had any special characters that we created with the private character editor, where they would actually show up here. It's actually listed under all fonts, private characters, and I actually have the a Windows logo. See, I can drag that in there too. Scale them all up. Bam. Pretty cool. So now there's only a couple things you have to remember when it comes to the character map is the more you put inside of this character select box here, say if I were to select that, and if I select copy, it's going to copy every single one of those characters up onto the clipboard. See? So you have to be kind of careful when it comes to the characters you load onto the copy box there. Also, notice the advanced view here. This actually will give you the ability to kind of filter them out, the different styles. You can actually group them by the different areas. See? And of course, if we just say all, we'll go back to the Unicode. Unicode covers them all. You know, if you want to go to DOS-based fonts, you can do that. If you want to go with Windows-based, just Windows-based fonts, that's pretty simple too. But normally everybody goes with the Unicode, because what you can do is you can actually automatically jump to one. You'll notice on the screen you see where it says U+. It'll actually tell you right down here. You can actually type that in here and bring up that font too, because I know a few people that actually use the same font over and over again, and that makes it real easy for them to actually bring it in. For me, I'm kind of a drag and drop kind of guy. I just like being able to do it that way and rock and roll. Now, if you happen to drag or copy over a font and it doesn't look correct, it's not the one you're looking for, the character, it's because your font isn't the same. See how this is Arial, this is Arial. Now if I were to change this to let's just say Cosmic Sands or Canberra, you'll notice that we get the different look of the different fonts. Some of them may not. Like I say, if we went down to like Wingdings, you'll actually see it changes it to that to the character that's listed at the 0A00AE range. So if the font doesn't display properly for you when you drag it into your program, you just need to ensure that you're looking at the correct font up here on your program. So other than that, that's how you utilize some of the special characters inside of Windows. So if you have any more questions, go on over to geeksandphoenix.com. We have a full article on this on the character maps. So alright, have a great day, and we'll talk to you later.